Think Cyprus is just crowded beaches? Think again. Today we are hitting the sand, the villages and the plates. And trust me, this is how you do Cyprus like a local. And before we start, hit that like button below and subscribe to support our channel. Do you agree? She agree. You know it. It means a lot to us and it keeps us doing this video that I'm sure you are loving it. If you haven't been to Cyprus yet, comment below. The other half of Travel Sauce is made in Cyprus, so she can answer all your questions about Cyprus, how to go around, how to rent a car, anything you want. Ready to go? This park was created by the municipality. What they decided to do is to hold an annual artist symposium. They invite international artists for all around the world. They give them space, food, and they come on site, so here, and they carve their sculptures on local Cypriot stone, and they do it on site. But I think it's a great initiative. The statues looks really good, and I actually really like the Cypriot stone. It looks great. What do you think? By the way, this park is free. You just park your car and walk in. There's nothing to pay, and you know, if it's not 40 degrees, it's nice to walk around.
Where to Konnos Beach?
That way. Keep going.
Okay, thanks.
This used to be a hidden gem. It was a really nice hidden beach a couple of years ago. Now it became quite famous, and you can understand why, because it's really pretty. Keep in mind we are in October, so imagine in August and July. Above the beach, on top of the beach, there is a 5-star hotel. It's really nice, and there is a nice cocktail place that we will show you later on.
Don't worry, we won't disappoint you. We actually do have an ace in our pocket, and we're gonna take you to a hidden gem, so all our hopes will be restored.
Here we are. This is one of the hidden coves. You can reach it with one of these guys if you want, or you can just come by car or walking. So we are in Capo Greco. It's a natural reserve. It's close to the Konnos beach we were before. Welcome to Cyprus. This is Cyprus at its best. Crystal clear waters, deep blue, rocky beaches and sun. So if you want a sandy beach, go to Konnos. Be mindful though that it's gonna be crowded. If you want peace and amazing water, crystal clear waters, come somewhere around here. This is the Cyprus I like. This type of beach is perfect for snorkeling if you like water activities, which we love. Prova. Hi! We are going to Cliff Bar. It's one of our favorite cocktail places in this area. It's inside Grecian Park Hotel. It's a 5-star hotel. It's really nice. You will see it in a second. Cliff Bar, can understand from the name, is on top of a cliff overseeing Konnos Beach. They do really nice cocktail. The setting is amazing. It's a spot that you don't have to miss. Come and check it out. the swimming pool of the hotel. You can come and spend the day on the pool if you want. You pay a ticket, the entry ticket, I don't remember how much it is. Nice pool, nice amenities.
Make prolific confessions into the master plan. I feel like they will never let me shine. What do you need to say that feels so grand? Why is yours so much better than mine? I gotta wait in line for you to feel me. I got to hold my time for the healing. I got to take a back seat, are you kidding? I got to grab my chance cause it's fleeting. Cause this just feels like yesterday. Just feels like yesterday.
Ttappis. This is by far my favorite taverna in Cyprus. You cannot smell it, but there is such a flavor in the air. Did I say it already? It's my favorite taverna? I don't know if I said it already, but this is by far my best taverna in Cyprus. My girlfriend, she's Cypriot, so I'm forced to come here once a year. And this is one of my fixed stops. We cannot go back to UK if I've not been to Ttappis.
Just a word of advice. If you're planning to come to Ttappis, you need to reserve first.
So we suggest you to book meze, but meet meze, you get the real Cypriot vibe. What is meze? They're gonna bring a lot of plates with a lot of different stuff. Start with the starters, of course. They're gonna fill the table.
This is freshly made bread. This is tahini, melinjano salata, virgin salad, tzatziki, τυροκαυτέρι, spicy feta, keftedes, meatballs, burguri, halloumi, and an amazing green platter.
Yeah.
With sausages.
So guys, Cyprus make these delicious sausages. These are called cheftalia. It's something that you definitely need to try when you're in Cyprus. This one is lamb. It's called ofto kleftiko. And on this side we have chicken wings.
Traditional dish that every mother will cook for you is basically courgette mixed with eggs.
By the way, this stuff is amazing. We destroyed the dinner and we are also destroyed. Guess how much is for all of this stuff? It's 25 euro each. I'm shocked. For 25 euro in UK I get one gin and tonic. Fruits. And what is this stuff? So it's fried dough filled with ricotta.
This is really traditional also.
So we left Ttappis. I'm gonna say it again, my favorite taverna in all Cyprus. Just this tip is valued your subscribe. You definitely do it. We just left the restaurant, amazing food, everything was just perfect. And you know the best part of it? All of that food was just 60 euros. Come on, what are we talking about? That's all from us. Hit that like button below and subscribe. Let us know your comments, and until next time, arrivederci. Where are you going?
Not in the car. Ah!